severe thunderstorm warning for western Guernsey County, southeastern Coshocton County, northeastern Muskingum County until 4:30 p.m. At 4:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near North Zanesville, or near Zanesville, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Trees snapped and uprooted. Power outages can be expected. Locations impacted include Cambridge, New Concord, Desville, North Zanesville, Pleasant Grove, Plainfield, Norwich, Chandlersville, Bridgeville, Otsego, Drake, and Duncan Falls. And now the extended forecast. Thursday night, mostly cloudy.